Your girl posts a thirst trap after you have argued. Crash out or keep it peak?
That's what you want to do? Then let me know everything I need to know about you.
Because you in the crib mad at me, and now I need some compliments to make me feel a little bit better.
Exactly. Men, we act off logic. Women, you act off how you feel.
I don't think that that's true.
No,
I think that we're very logical.
It depends on what time.
In ovulation?
Exactly. Wait, what? You don't share location? You quick to call us for a flat tire. I want you to have that same energy towards us. Like, I don't need to check your location. I don't want you to do all that.
But it's like, if I'm dead, I'm dead. What is something that women think works on men that absolutely does not?
Too freaky. Go take that CPAP machine, go ahead and hook it up and go to to sleep. My penis went inside my body and closed the door. Is Raya like a rich dating app? Okay, you said media personality astronaut. I'll be honest with you. If I saw that, I'm like, oh, she got a little touch of the tism.
There's nothing worse than being the like overly emotional and reactive ex.
I'm gonna be honest with you. You're giving that.